Team, good morning. We've got the sheriff checking in here again. We've got day 2 of the truck speaker install / upgrade. So we can see that we've got the back infinity reference put into the rear suicide doors. You can see that we've got the woofer there, and nice clean install with the tweeter up here. So yeah, it's gone in pretty nice. Looks pretty factory, pretty discreet in there, which is cool. That's what I wanted. Standard look. So if I take you for a pan around, we've got half the interior missing now too. So we're now popping in an under seat slimline sub. Feedback from the boys yesterday was that sound was good, but lacked a little bit of depth. So guess what we're doing today, team. So yeah, I'll just show you that. So we've got whole head unit out, seats out, built a loom, which you can see snaked around here, just make it easier for me to wire it through to the actual active sub under the seat. So yeah, she's a bit of a mess there. I'll just take you around to show you what we're playing with today. Actually, I'll close this door just so you can see how neat that looks. So rear door closed. I wonder if focus in on there. So yeah, you can just see it's pretty clean install there, just up on the sill. And then I'll walk you around through the other side, so we can see. So this is what we're chucking in today. It is the Pioneer TS-WX130DA. Cheers, Vinny, for the help. Vinny from Super Cheap always helping me out. That's cool. Thanks, mate. So I'll take you around now and show you the action side. A bit of a mess happening here. Michael, the dancing mechanic, is here too. Say hello, Michael. Good morning.
Sick mate, subwoofer.
It'll be good sounds. So yeah, business as usual. Working on plenty lovely cars today, including that Audi. So let's take you for a pan around so you can see, yeah, massive mess at the moment. So come on in, you can see the factory deck is off, and this is the underfloor sub here. So yeah, you can see the wiring coming out of the carpet there, just running along the tunnel, up and through. And then through into, we're going to tap in off that loom in there. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy job. Just fiddly, just getting the seat, all those things out. So yeah, hopefully after we're all done, have a more complete sound. Boys will be happy, I'll be happy. So yeah, hope you're staying well, team. And yeah, on that note, we'll check out. And next video should be all back together, like 1, 2, 3, and we'll be done. Righto, team, have a lovely day. Bye.